Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable AdGuard Dutch on Brave. So let's get started. First, we open Brave browser in your device. Then tap on three dot icon. Next tap on settings. After that, tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. Then scroll until you find content filtering. Next tap on it. After that, scroll until you find AdGuard Dutch. Then turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable AdGuard Dutch on Brave. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you leave a thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.